This is the stabilizer kit, and I have also ordered the number plate extension kit. As you can see here, the packaging looks decent. The quality of the windshield is good. It is very thick. I don't think it will fumble a lot on high speeds. The reason why I have ordered the semi-black color is so that I can see the road up front of me, and as you can see, the quality is excellent. They have already drilled some holes here, and as you can see, it is written here. These are for the stabilizers, and I guess this is for the mounting. You can see the Carbon Racing logo over here, and the best part is this: proudly made in India. These are the visor stabilizers. This is the radiator guard. What else is there in the box? I don't know what this is. Feels like some foam padding. I guess it is given for reducing the buzzing sound. Feels very premium.
You just need to remove these 4 screws and the visor would come out. After removing those 4 screws, the visor would be completely out with the number plate. You also have these rubber visors, that would help for dampening and buffering of the windshield.
So the number plate extended kit of the one side has been fitted. The other side is partially done. After this, we will install the visor over there, which is kept over there. You can see the mess around. The camera is taking a good time lapse of the everything which we are doing now. This is how it is looking. It took way much long time than I expected it to be. I still have to fix the stabilizers over here. I have to, I guess, take a hot nail and pass it through. I would suggest, if you are not good at fixing things, then you take the help of a friend or take it to the mechanic. I did not expect it to be this difficult. Let's see how it goes.
अभी अगले महीने में मेरा अभी आज
ये पहला हुआ।
बहुत टाइम लग रहा है, बराबर नहीं करके दिया कार्बन रेसिंग। टच के टाइम पे भी इतनी गफलत हुआ था।
स्टेबलाइजर फिट करने के लिए जो होल दिया हुआ है वो बहुत छोटा है, तो बार बार सोल्डरिंग मशीन से उसका होल बड़ा करके फिर एडजस्ट करना पड़ रहा है। बराबर ना गौतम?
बोल दे हमारा मैकेनिक बहुत चूतिया है। बोल दे।
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है, मैं क्या तू ही बोल दिया। Benefits of the stabilizer, if you can see, if you try to move this, it is very stiff. Now try it on the other side. Once both are properly fitted, I will make sure and record it again.
हम लोग गाड़ी के बारे में पूछे, क्या बोल सकते हैं? लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब बोलने दो। लाइक शेयर करा खूब बढ़िया से,
भोजपुरी में ये देखा डबना 400 हो हम बनाओ थे जो के करवाओ तो आया वाइजर लगाने का 500 रुपये चार्ज
कितना?
500 रुपये नहीं 400 रुपये डबना 400
हाँ 250 को 250.
ध्यान देंगे
हाँ पर वो मेरे को वैसे जरा Oh, this is the handlebar from Art of Motorcycles. You have to change the clutch cable, which is like already provided when you buy it, and when asked, those guys told it's from 200 ns, and I have rerouted this accelerator cable. If you can see it from here, I think the previous one used to come from here, like it was from like this. It used to go from here and it used to enter like here, and underneath the tank it would go and attach to the engine. And now if you can see, if it goes directly via the fairing, like underneath the tank. And this is the visor from Carbon Racing. They have like 3 models. This is a semi-black variant. You can see it is not very dark, and you can see it is not very clear. So the reason why I went for semi-black is it is visible, or you can say it looks good, and also it doesn't create a kind of a distortion while we are riding at night. The dark is like very black. It's very dark. You can't see any through, you can't see anything from here. The semi-black kind of looked good, and when I ordered this stabilizer kit is a complimentary, which they themselves give it. So this is how I'm attached it. The number plate extension, as you can see, this kit I bought it, I had to pay for this, and you can do it yourself. It's not more of a process, or if you if you are unable to, you can still go to your mechanic and kind of get it done. Overall a good windshield, what else, and I'm planning to get an engine guard. I don't know when it should be. Let's see, I'm planning it. I'm confused, many brands, and I might get a backrest or a carrier for luggage mount and all. Till now, these are the 2 things which I have bought. Oh yeah, and also the radiator guard. If you can see, you see that? I have just passed it inside through the stock one. I didn't remove the stock one, because the stock one, if it removed, it kind of looks very, very empty. I didn't like that look, so I just slide it in. I kept this and just slide it in from the back. This is how it looks after a nice wash and all. The view from the front. If you end up liking my content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. That's it for the day.